Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more updates. So in today's session we will learn Selenium with Java. Okay, and what we will learn in this session, we will create a Maven project structure for Selenium. We will set up Chromedriver repositories. We will set up WebdriverManager with repositories, and we will launch and test Chromedriver application using Selenium WebDriver. So, and then we will compile the code and we will look into the scripts how it's working. So let's go. Okay, so we will come back to our Eclipse. In Eclipse we will create a new Maven project. Okay, we will create a simple project. Click on next, and here we will add the group ID. Click on finish. This will be our sample project structure. We'll expand this. We can see src main.java, src main resources, src test java. So a Maven project structure is created, and we can also see pom.xml. So here we will be adding all the repositories for our Selenium. Now we will go to src test java. Here we will create sample Java code. We'll write the name of class as launch test application. We'll create public static void main. Click on finish. Okay, so we have created our sample code. Now to add the repositories for Selenium, we'll go to pom.xml. This is the XML which we created, and here we will add dependencies. Click on enter. So within this we will be adding all our Selenium repositories from Maven repository. So let's go to Google and we will search for Maven. In Google search we will search for Maven repository. Click on enter. We'll go for the first link, and then we will search Selenium with Java. Selenium with Java. We'll click on search. We'll select Selenium HQ, the first link. Okay, so here we will have different versions of WebDriver. We will go for 4.2.4, and then we will download we'll copy the repository for Maven. This is for Maven. We'll just click here and we will copy. And then we will go to our Eclipse and paste, and we will save it. So here you can see the page object model is building our project with the help of Maven. Okay, so this got set up. Now next up what we need is WebDriverManager. That will help us to download the versions of Chromedriver. So we'll go to search in the Maven. We'll download WebDriverManager, and then we will click on search. So the first link, that is Bonnie Garcia, we'll click over here, and then we will get the 5.9.1 version. We'll simply copy this and we will paste. We'll save it. So here again we can see the project is getting building. Okay, so we have both the Selenium with Java and WebDriverManager set up in our Eclipse project. Okay, so now we will come back to our Java code. This was the basic code that we wrote, that is the main method. So here we will set up our WebDriverManager. So we will write WebDriverManager control space dot Chromedriver dot setup. So our WebDriver manager is set up with Chrome. Next what we need to do is we need to call our WebDriver. WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. That's it. So this two line of code indicates that we are testing our application with Chrome driver. Okay, with our Chrome application. Now we'll simply type driver dot get. We will launch our simple Google. Okay, so we'll simply launch our application on Google. Okay, now let's execute this. So we can see we need to click on allow. That's it, our Chrome application got launched successfully. Okay, now what we need to do is, suppose if I want to launch my application in full screen, driver dot manage dot window dot full screen. So if I execute this code, you can see the browser has launched in full screen. Okay, now suppose after launching the application, if I want to close the, we can write driver dot quit. Run as application. So it will launch the application full screen and it will quit. So that got executed very quickly. What we have gone so far is we have created a Maven project and we have downloaded the repositories through the Maven repository, that is this one. And whatever repositories if you want to download, you can download from Maven Central, that is the Maven repository. And you can configure the Maven repositories in pom.xml inside the dependencies tag. Okay, so here what I have done is I have created a setup for Selenium with Java and have downloaded the repositories for WebDriver, that is Selenium with Java, and I have downloaded the WebdriverManager repositories through the dependencies. So both the dependencies, that is Selenium with Java, that is WebDriver, and WebdriverManager, I have created a setup in Maven, that is pom.xml. In my Java code, I have called the WebdriverManager, and when we call the WebdriverManager, here we can see the package is getting imported for the WebdriverManager, that is Boni Garcia. And when we call the WebDriver packages are getting imported, and here we can see we are calling the Chrome driver. So the Chrome driver package is also getting imported. So with this simple setup, we are able to launch our basic browser launch. In the next session, we will be covering more such interesting topics, and I hope you found my content useful. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe button, and we will see you very soon. Thank you very much.